Hey everyone, my name is Kamal Saxena and I work on soft skill and I work on internal or external behavior of the candidate. But today we have a very great personality with us, Miss Rajpreet Kaur ma'am. Hi ma'am, hello.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm great. And
Hope
you?
I'm fantastic. Hope you're doing great, right?
Yes.
So, ma'am, I have some very basic question as you are faculty of an English language instructor. So, my first question I would like to ask from you: what suggestion would like to give those who are a beginner in English?
Oh, well, first of all, I just want to say, as being a beginner, you just need to start speaking English. That's all. Because so many learners are there who just think of like it's a kind of a very difficult task. So, first of all, they should have believe in themselves.
Exactly. So, ma'am, being a English faculty, what are the challenges that you have to face in a daily life?
Oh, well, nowadays, it's not that much difficult for me as I'm used to English now. But before some years, I had so many issues while communicating in English just due to fluency.
Okay.
That's it.
Basically, ma'am, my intention is not about the putting question mark on you. You are expert in yourself. I was asking because sometimes we have to deal with such crowd. They come from such particular background, even they do not know the difference between the singular and plural. So I was asking only because of those people. What is your opinion on that?
Oh, so basically, first of all, the thing is everyone makes mistake, and people have to just know about this. Like, if they are going to speak English, that's totally fine. Just make mistakes. That's simple. Because so many people are there who speak confidently English, but still makes so many mistakes.
Exactly.
So confidence really matters a lot, and this is the point where so many people are lagging behind.
That's great. So, what message would you like to give those who are a beginner in English?
Well, I like just think of it that you can speak English, and the main motive is to speak confidently.
Okay.
That's it.
I have gone through in your bio, you work on personality development too, right?
Yes.
So, what do you mean by personality development and how someone can improve his personality?
Well, basically, personality development is a kind of a very vast concept. It doesn't include dress sense and how you talk. It also about your behavior, your thinking, your means sense of humor as well. And you know how to sit, how to politely answer to the questions, and how to communicate with others. That really matters a lot. Yeah.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It is really nice talking to you. Once again, my name is Kapil Saxena from British Institute. Thank you so much.